equation. So they want the value of what? They want the value of P and also the value of Q. But looking at this equation, they said these two lines, straight line and a straight line. Remember this one, it goes up, this one it goes down because of the gradient. This one is positive, this one is negative. So because of the gradient, this one goes up, this one goes down. And they told you that their axes, those are the axes of symmetry of this function. So if those are the axes of symmetry of this function, the given function, remember x plus p must be equals to 0. So definitely x should be negative p to find what? The vertical asymptote. Remember, then q, which is y, is equals to what? Q, which is what? Which is the horizontal asymptote. So if you have something like this, vertical asymptote, which is this one, is negative p. So negative p is this side. And horizontal asymptote, which is p, is this side, which is what? Which is q. Which is q, sorry. So which is q. So you have something like this. So they want that value of p and q. So let's go and find those two values. So let's start with this equation. They said those two lines, they are axes of symmetry. It means where they are equal. Remember, where they intersect, they have points. So they will have x and y where they intersect. So the intersection of these two lines, they will have x and y. So let's find those intersection. So remember, you have y is equals to x plus 1 and also y is equals to negative x plus 3. So always I advise people to use maybe elimination, like elimination method, meaning or 2 minus 1, or just equalize the two. So you can equalize the two like this. You can just say x plus 1 equals to negative x plus 3, or you can just use the elimination method, like equation 2 minus equation 1. Then you can just say this side is 0, it's equals to this side is minus 2x, then this side is plus 2. Then you can see that 2x is equals to 2, then x is equals to 1. You see, this side, we call it the elimination method. What about this side? You equalize the two. So you can take x this side and take 1 this side. So you'll have 2x is equals to what? Taking that one is equals to 2. So x is equals to what? Equals to 1, because you divided by 2. So you'll get the same answer. You'll still get the same answer. Then you can take either 1 or 2 to find the value of what? Of y. So the value of y, you can just see it. It's just x. X is 1 plus 1 from equation 1. So let's say from equation 1. So from equation 1, when you insert this x there, it will give you 1 plus 1, which is what? Which is 2. So the point is just 1 and what? 1 and 2. Those are your points. So it means here the x is 1, then the y is what? Is 2. What does this point tell us? It means when you have the intersection. So let me just draw to illustrate or what exactly those two lines are telling us. So they mean 1 is this side, you know, then 2 is this side. So this side is 1, this side is 2. It means here those 2 points, it's 1 and 2, they meet here. So if they meet here, it means our horizontal asymptote will be what? Will be 2, and our vertical asymptote will be what? Will be 1. Our vertical asymptote will be what? Will be 1. So let's go back. So it means our P, remember we said our vertical asymptote equals to 1. So we said x is equals to, it means our P is negative 1 to make it positive, because if we say P is 1, it will be negative. So it's negative, then it's negative 1. Then x is equals to what? It's equals to 1. Then this side, y, is just what? It's just 2. So it means our P, you can even see it for yourself here, from this point. If you take this one, x minus 1 is equals to 0, you can see, or your P is negative 1. definitely your p is what? Is -1. So you can even see it for yourself here. P is equals to -1 and your q is equals to what? It's equals to 2. Then you are done. So if you are done with those with those two, then you can, this side is x, this side is y. So you can just calculate the what? The x-intercept of that line. So calculating the x-intercept, you need a scale. Yeah, you need a scale. So the x-inter, you let what? You let y is equals to 0. So from that line, which is y is equals to -4 over x minus 1 plus 2, here's the whole of that thing. Then you let this one to be 0. So this one has to be 0. So it's 0. Then you take this side. So it's 4 over x minus 1 is equals to what? It's equals to 2. You cross multiply. You can even see it for yourself. It's what? It's 4. It's equals to 2 into x minus 1. Then you can divide. You can divide by what? You can divide by 2. So dividing by 2, you can just divide by 2, divide by 2. So it's 2, it's equals to x minus 1. Then you can take the 1 this side. So it means x is equals to what? 3. So your x-intercept, it means it's what? It's 3 and 0. Those are your x-intercept. So here, if you don't want to divide here, you can just quickly say 4 is equals to 2x minus 2. Then take the 2 is equals to 2x. Then dividing. Wait, what did I do? 2x minus 2. Then take this one this side. It gives you 6, not 2. It gives you 6. Then when you divide, it will give you 3. So it's the same thing. So now I just preferred to just say 2 over x minus 1 is equals to 4. Then you divide by 2, divide by 2. So x is minus 1 is equals to what? It's equals to 2. Then take 1 that side, it gives you 3. So it's the same thing. So you can just, this is your x-intercept. Then what about your y-intercept? So your y-intercept already, you can even see it for yourself. It's what? It's negative. It's 0 actually, because when you put 0 here, it will give you positives. Then, oh, your y-intercept is 6, sorry. Because your y-intercept, you have to put 0 as what? You have to let x equals to 0. So letting x equals to 0 is -4, 0 minus 1 plus 2. This one, you can even see it for yourself. It will give you 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Then your y-intercept is just what? It's equals to 0 and what? And 6. Then you are done. Even if they didn't ask for that y-intercept.